Advisor zaruri hai. You must have seen the heading. Okay, little of introduction of myself. I am qualified as a chartered accountant, and therefore did not think any other degree was worth it. And but I trained as a lawyer. I've gone to the Supreme Court 5 times with clients' work. Uh, I did equity research for a couple of decades. I was on the board of a company which became a member of the National Stock Exchange. We had membership of the Bombay Stock Exchange and another entity. And I have served on many people's advisory committees as an investment advisor. I've advised a lot of people. So you think this is the kind of a person who should be doing direct investments, right? I mean, I shouldn't need an advisor. I've done more advisors training than you can imagine. Upwards of 20,000 people must have passed through my eyes and hands in terms of advisor training that I've done. So I'm the perfect candidate for investing direct, right? Okay, let me just tell you, I have a broker for my equity shares. I have a direct equity portfolio which is bigger than my mutual fund portfolio. I have a chartered accountant to file my GST and IT returns, and I have a mutual fund advisor also. There is a mutual fund advisor who advises me free, and a mutual fund advisor through whom I invest, right? So here we are completing the circle. I have advisors for everything that I do. Why do I need to do that? Simple, because that has to be your sole focus, and fully you should be involved in that. I am not involved. I don't want to spend time on my IT return. I'm very happy collating the details, giving it to a girl who will put it in an Excel sheet, who will check it for consistency, make sure that the GST return and the IT return tally. You can make mistakes. You may have forgotten something in the GST return and included here, or vice versa. So make sure that gets amended. Make sure that the bills go and with the correct details, right? Somebody has to do all that. So I don't want to do it. So I get it outsourced, and it gets outsourced and done well. Why would I not do it? So similarly, you have to decide at what level of competence do you want to do it yourself, and what level of competence do you want it outsourced. So filing your income tax return with just a salary income may not be very difficult, but if you have had some capital gains, or if you have sold a house and because of it there is other capital gains, you have invested, not invested, you have delayed, whatever, you might require a little more expertise than just going online and filing it. Exactly same for dealing with direct equity. A lot of people think that all they need is a broking portal. So you go to an ICICI or HDFC or what have you and say, okay, I can execute my transactions. That's great. So can you execute your transactions on mutual funds? Of course you can. But I have seen that having human intervention, especially a knowledgeable person. Now my relationship with my broker goes back 41 years. This is the 41st year. I was in class 12 when I started that relationship. Similarly, I have a relationship with a doctor who's started practice more or less at the same time, and that's the kind of relationship I have with him, right? So the thing is, why do you have this relationship? Why do you pay a fee? Various things, because they definitely bring value to the table. There is absolutely no denying that my broker brings value to the table. Is he charging me zero brokerage? No. Can I go to Zerodha and pay zero brokerage? Sure. But I enjoy the human intervention. We talk about it. When I say this is a share which is worth buying 2,000 shares, he says, no, this is shit. Maybe just to keep you happy, I'll buy 100 shares. Right? So all these kind of inputs have been extremely useful. Holding my hand during times when I felt depressed, saying I want to throw up everything and go, right? That's also useful. And I seriously don't know why people don't have an advisor. In fact, I know one CXO. I was looking at his portfolio. He had just given me his portfolio to look at, so I was looking at it on my laptop, and he was sitting across, and I just looked up to him and said, if you had outsourced your portfolio management to somebody, would you have continued to hire him after what he has done to your portfolio? He said, hire him, I would sack him and perhaps sue him for the way he screwed up my portfolio. These are his words, hence I am using it as it is, right? So why would you do that? Why would you pretend? I know one more person who had a lot of money kept in the savings bank account, maybe about 30-40 lakhs, which is very unlike him. So when I had gone to his house, I just, his wife mentioned that he's not investing, and so I was perturbed and said, why are you not investing? So he said, no, my friend became the MD of a company, and he said, you stop your SIPs, don't do it through a broker, you can do it direct, you will save a lot of money. So I stopped my SIPs. He said, why haven't you started off on your own? He said, no, I thought I will do, and I am very clear that if you have a CTC of 2 crores and you're a CXO in a company, you don't need to worry about anything except that you keep the investments going. Don't try to use your own brain, interrupt the compounding, and don't do those things. I'm not saying investment costs are unimportant. Investment costs are most important because you cannot predict what is going to happen about the future, but at least you can predict about costs, you can get to manage them. That's fine. But provided you know how to do it, you have the willingness to do it, you have the capability to do it. If you don't have that, then you need outside help, right? You don't do surgery on yourself. Don't do a badly managed portfolio. You know it. I'm not even denying that the CEO of a mutual fund doesn't know how a fund gets managed, but he may not know how to construct a portfolio, and I've seen these people suffer. I've seen bank executives suffer because their portfolio is very, very poorly managed. What about those bank executives who bought ULIP without understanding what is happening, and the RM is their colleague, right? And they've still bought those ULIPs, and you ask the colleague and he will say, sir, he's overpaid. So it's okay if he buys some ULIP, he's giving back some money to the bank because I think he's overpaid. Well, they are judgmental maybe, but yeah, they have their answers. And if you buy products dumbly because nobody told you, well, the world does not owe you a living, the world does not owe you an explanation, everybody is up to himself. So you need to know why you need an advisor, whether you need an advisor just for the execution like I use my mutual fund advisor. Do I need an advisor for bouncing of ideas like how I use my equity advisor? Do you need a person to do the documentation properly and still check whether what you have done is right, like I use my income tax and GST advisor? So right, so each can be a different level of engagement, different level of fees, right? You can do all that. There is nothing which stops you from doing this. But I have realized that if you have any size of a portfolio, I mean, I'm talking of say $1 million plus or even less, if you don't know how to manage, if you're not interested in knowing how to manage, go to an advisor at least for the execution portion and pay him a fee. Tell him, look, I know how to identify companies, I know what to do, but I don't want to do the execution. Please do the execution and I will pay you this much fees. That's also fine, right? Don't worry about it, but realize that in life, whether it is for income tax, whether it is for your medicines, for your body, for your health, or for your insurance, or for your mutual funds, it's nice to have an advisor on a negotiated fee. If the fees is what is bothering you, negotiate the fee, but don't try going without an advisor and messing up badly. After that, correcting will become very difficult. Like they say, a stitch in time saves 9. So make sure you don't make these mistakes which I've seen CXOs of mutual funds make. Thank you.